Hello people, welcome back to another episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another episode of my swatch series. So today, the thing that I'll be swatching is this Febble Tease Me palette. Now why did I choose this palette in particular is because it is pocket friendly, it is available in India, it is cruelty free, and I absolutely love the way it performs. This palette and the eyeshadows in this palette are so easily workable. Like, this is perfect for beginners and also for pro makeup artists. And the colors that are present here, I think you can create so many different looks. You can absolutely go for a nude look, or go for a party look like all out smoky eyes, or just be glamorous like this look right here. And you'll be seeing me create this look in this episode further. I know there are many palettes out there which are really beautiful and they perform well, but whatever palettes I have had, the experience that I have had with all those palettes, I think this is the one that has stuck with me all along. I have used so many different palettes, but every time I want to play with makeup, this is what I automatically reach for. So I thought I will swatch this palette with you all and tell you all a little more about it. Also a disclaimer, this palette has fallout. If you are the one who has problem with fallout, you might not like this palette. But if you are the one who is okay with fallout because of the eyeshadows being insanely pigmented, because of how well they perform, how blendable they are, and although it has different textures, like it has matte eyeshadows, it has foiled eyeshadows, and it has a few shimmer eyeshadows. All of them perform really well, but just that it has fallout. I can completely go with that. I don't mind that, but if you mind it, don't go for it. But other than that, you will love this palette for the price and for the kind of work that you can do with this. So I'm going to take a pencil brush and take the shade Orgasm. Now, as I said, it has fallout, so you have to make sure that you have either not done your base, or if you have done your base, you have excess powder underneath, so that if there is any fallout, it just falls on the powder and you're able to get rid of it, because they are insanely pigmented and you don't want them to get on your base. So yeah, starting with the shade Orgasm, I am going to deposit that on my crease. And you can already see how insanely pigmented they are. And then I'll also try to show you the blendability, but right now you can see I am just depositing that color. It has a uniform pigmentation all over. Now I've taken the shade Please Me on the same pencil brush, and now I'm going to keep this just on the crease. You can see just on the crease. Again, the black is absolutely dark. It is really nice black color, one of the most pigmented black colors that I've ever seen, and I am not exaggerating. Now I've taken the shade Lust on this tight fluffy brush, and then I'm going to go over the initial shade. I am just going over the initial shade so that I can show you how blendable they are. You can see how easily you can blend them into each other. You can layer them really well, and at the same time you can blend them really well. That is something rare.
You lost your gemstone and it hangs free around my neck, and you'll have to let it go, leave it be, let me be clear. It's my year. You'll never find someone better than me. I'm the one who owns hearts, will light the key.
Now taking the shade Dare Me on the same brush, going over again to give it a smoky effect and make it look blended. You can see, you can easily see all the three colors, but still they are so blended into each other. This is how simple it is to work with this palette.
You think you can just take the
Now I'm taking a clean brush and just blending out the edges. See? Just 2 to 3 strokes and they're nicely blended. That is the best part. You don't have to work too much with these shadows. You don't have to take all day to blend them and look nice. Just a few strokes and you're good to go. Now I have taken the shade Candy Apple on this flat brush and just applying it at my brow bone, because this is an excellent highlight shade, gives a really nice highlight. Now I have to go with my outer part of my eye. I have mixed the shade Orgasm and Please Me to deposit on the outer V.
But you'll never find someone better than me.
You already have seen how beautifully blendable the mattes are, and now we are going to go with foiled eyeshadows. So I'm going to start with Innocent. These shades perform equally well with finger and brush. Starting with the shade Innocent, just putting it right close to my outer V. You see? Have you ever seen a foiled eyeshadow perform so well with a brush? I have not seen it.
Like the key to take it all, you take it all away from.
This next shade is the shade Kiss Me, right besides Innocent. And this is the shade Blissful. The shades are so complementing to each other and perform so uniformly, so well. I am just obsessed with this palette. You see, there are 3 different shades which create such a beautiful ombre. And the last shade in the inner corner is Sexy.
To win this war against this picture game. I know you don't know you.
You see, all the foil shadows look so beautiful. Let's play a little more. I'm using this Please Me on a pencil brush and just applying it on my outer corner of the lower lash line. Just on the outer corner. And now taking the shade Cotton Candy, I'm going to blend this black and it is going to look absolutely wonderful. So these are all the various textures and maximum colors I could use to create one eye look. Now I'll go and get done with my eyeliner and everything else, and we'll be right back. So guys, this is the look I created with this Febble Tease Me palette, which is my absolute favorite. I love this palette and you can already say why. So we are done with another episode of Swatch Me series. Let me know, what are you thinking about this series? Is this helping you? Is there anything that you want me to swatch and you want me to make it a part of this swatch series? Drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. Until then, take care. Ta-da!